Hello friends, welcome to the channel. Here you will learn with lot of fun. So stay tuned. So friends, in this video we will going to learn about farm animals. Farm animals means they are kept for agriculture purpose. So first farm animal is cow. Say with me, cow. C-O-W, cow. Next is goose. G-O-O-S-E, goose. Say with me, goose. Next is horse. H-O-R-S-E, horse. Say with me, horse. Next is chicken. C-H-I-C-K-E-N. Say with me, chicken. Then goat. G-O-A-T, goat. Say with me, goat. Then pig. P-I-G, pig. Say with me, pig. P-I-G. Then donkey. D-O-N-K-E-Y, donkey. Say with me, donkey. Then duck. D-U-C-K, duck. Say with me, duck. Then very cute, rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T. Say with me, R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. So guys, enjoyed the video? So please like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you. Bye bye.